Hello friends, welcome every one of you in Camp Doctor vlog. I'm Abdul Rauf here. This session is regarding one musical instrument keyboard, Yamaha PSR350. There is some problem inside this key. I mean, these reeds, some of the reeds are not giving tone. I think maybe something missing inside. So we have to open everything, then we can check it. After all, opening only we can understand what's the exact problem. So this session is totally in English because one of my African friends, Peter, he asked me why you are not conducting your class in English, uh, so that I will try to do in English. Okay. And this lot of dirt inside. You can see the spider web and dust everything everywhere. I think a couple of years is not used or no one is opened this anymore. Anyway, we can first of all we have to clean it with a powerful blower, air blower, and after all we can check the system. I think the problem may be because of this dust leads. There is solenoid switch, very soft switch. That switch may be clogged with dust and will not get the contact. If it is not getting contact, then one cannot play this. That is the matter. So first of all, let us clean this with a blower. So guys, it's almost this cleaned with a blower. Now somewhere we cannot use the blower because this blower is a powerful one. So there is two speakers inside. This blower pressure will the pressure air if apply on the speaker that will become faulty. The corn paper will break. That's why I use vacuum cleaner for this purpose. Okay, anyway, the cleaning work is almost finished. Now we have to test it, and the problem probably the matter is inside this solenoid switch where these key reeds are fixed between these reeds and that long PCB circuit. There is a solenoid switch, very delicate and soft switch with a rubber cushion. That point may be with clogged with the dust, that I think so. Anyway, there is a lot of screws to open with this. You can see here this the outer screws. Moreover, there is 21 screws on these reeds. That reeds when we open, uh, it will come out. There is a 3 screw outside this reeds fitting. Remove the 3 screw and the yeah one, that one is fixed this reeds, that black reeds and white reeds. White reeds are not fixed with the screws because the bracket totally coming on the white one. The white one is clipped below, and there is a two kind of clipping. Carefully we have to remove it. Then you can see directly that solenoid switch. First of all, we can remove from a side, because there is 61 keys. All of these opening and fixing no need to show you. Now I am just opening one side only. The other I am not showing because I am afraid of this becoming long, the video. See that screw we have to remove. Like you see in the picture, there is 5 screws on the black reeds. Black reeds are coming 5 on a single bracket. So these 5 screws removed, then this bracket will come out, and beneath this the white reeds are fixed, and that also the lock is below this. The lock remove and it will come out. There's no any complication. Anyway, this side only I am showing to you. See, 21 screw removing and fixing is not so easy. So long time will take. I will show you that. So friends, this kind of 61 switches used below these reeds, each and every reeds. So when you depress the reeds, this will get contact and it will give the tone. Now we have to clean every switches, because maybe the what I say, the dust may be gone inside these switches. That will again will give trouble. So I am not showing you all the keys, just one key I will open and show you. Okay. So okay guys, now almost all the work is finished, and we have to test it. All the read, if it is working, we are lucky. So it's working. So obviously you can see all the reeds are working properly. Now I will fix all the screws. So okay. Yeah, that side there is, the center side of the system was not working. That 5 reeds was not working. Now every reeds are working well. So okay, now I will put all the screws. That is center portion, there is 4 of the screws are long type, and side, all the side coming small screws, not so long, short screws are used. So that's all of my friends. If you have any doubt on any of the electronics gadgets, you please contact me either in my email address or in my comment box. So I'm always happy to give you the guidance whatever I can do. So one more thing is that I'm in the this fixia.com portal for repairing electronics instruments. I'm also giving answer in that fixia. So if anyone want to get guidance, you just log on to www.fixia.com. Thank you very much once more.